Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a website. It's called Stockimg AI, that is stockimg.ai. So it is a paid tool, but the free version is available. It can be used to generate your book cover, wallpaper, poster, logo, stock image, illustration, and art. So you can test various category, whether you want a book cover, a stock image, a wallpaper, poster. You can create anything using this tool. Rather than hiring a designer, this will replace the job of a designer. You might be paying people hundreds of dollars in Fiverr.com, Upwork to get various illustrations done, but you no longer have to do all those things. You can create your own designs using artificial intelligence. So you can come to this platform here. Now you can say a book cover. See, there is only one credit that is available to me because it's a paid tool. So let me look at the pricing. So if I look at pricing, so we have free plan available here, one image credit that is available. So $19 per month will give me 500 image credits. So if I want to create a book cover, let me see, a book cover, 20,000 leaks under the sea with ship cover. Type a detailed prompt. So I'm going to create the art of surfing the art of surfing in the monsoon season and having party with friends. So this is what I have put in: the art of surfing in the monsoon season and having party with friends. Let's see what it comes up with. So it is generating that. So I think this will consume my one credit that is available. I could have used it for creating a logo, a wallpaper, poster, stock image, illustration, or even a web user interface. So it's almost there. It's almost there to generate the book cover based on what I have put in. Let's see what it comes up with. So this one, it said it had some problem. I don't know what problem it had. So let's give it one more chance. Let's see. So there is web UI available for a cloth shop, illustration for a cloud of pink dust, logo, stock image. Okay, so it has generated this: the art of surfing in the monsoon and having party with friends. So this is the image that it has come up with. This is the book cover it has created. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.